Good morning, students. Now we are studying the chapter Atoms and Molecules. In this chapter, we are going to study about molecular mass and mole concept. Let's start.
Today, we are going to discussing about first molecular mass. What is molecular mass? The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecules of the substance. That is the sum of all atoms in a molecule. The molecular mass expressed in the unit atomic mass unit U. It expressed in the unit U. Let's find out what is molecular mass with the problem. We have two problems to calculate the relative molecular masses of water and HNO3. So the first one, the molecular mass of water. In a water, the atomic mass of hydrogen. We know that the hydrogen and oxygen combined together form water. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1U and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. In H2O, there is 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. So the molecular mass of water is 18U. In the case of HNO3, the atomic mass of nitrogen is 14U. So the molecular mass of HNO3 is hydrogen 1 into 1, nitrogen 1 into 14 into 1 plus oxygen 3 into 16. So the total molecular mass of HNO3 is 63U. That is about molecular mass. The next one, the formula unit mass. What is formula unit mass? The formula unit mass of a substance is a sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound. The sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a compound. Let's do a problem. Calculate the formula unit mass of CaCl2. In CaCl2, the atomic mass of Ca is 40U. The atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5U. The formula unit mass 40 plus here Cl is 2, Cl2, that is 2 chlorine. So 2 into 35.5 is equal to 101U. So we can calculate formula unit mass like this. And next, mole concept. Next we are going to discussing about mole concept. What is mole concept? Let's start the mole concept using equation. Here the equation is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. From this equation we can understand that 2 molecules of hydrogen combine with 1 molecule of oxygen to form 2 molecule of water. Here we can also say 4U of hydrogen, that is here 2H2, that is 4U of hydrogen molecule combined with the 32U of oxygen. We know the atomic number of oxygen is 16. So 16 into 16 into 2, that is 32U of oxygen molecule to form 36U of water molecules. It is more convenient to refer the quantity of substance in terms of number of its molecules or atoms rather than their masses. So mole is 1 mole of any species, atoms, molecules, ions or particles is that quantity in number having mass equal to its atomic or molecular mass in grams. So in the case of mole, the number of particles means atoms, molecules or ions present in 1 mole. It's a fixed value. The fixed value is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. It's a fixed value. This number is called Avogadro constant or Avogadro number. It's very important to study. So 1 mole of any equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 in number of 1 dozen equal to 12 no's. So the 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number. Relative mass in grams. The mole was introduced by William Oswald, who derived the term from the Latin word moles meaning heap or pile. A substance may be considered as a heap of atoms or molecules. This is all about mole. With this, our chapter is completed.
So, in this video, we discussed about molecular mass and mole concept. So, all should study the part very well and try to solve the problems from this. Okay, thank you.